Dazzle Me products, big savings! Dazzle Me products, big savings! Perfume dessert and big discount! Perfume dessert and big discounts! Zivago Tumbler and free shipping vouchers! Zivago Tumbler and free shipping vouchers! Let's all celebrate dahil nandito na ang payday sale from August 28 to 30. Lahat ng gusto mo, check out mo na this payday sale sa TikTok Shop. Punta na sa Shop tab next to your home button to see and enjoy all deals and discounts up to 90% off na para lang sa'yo. At dahil nasa Shop tab ka na, pumunta ka lang sa Coupon Hub para maklaim ang napakaraming vouchers sa TikTok Shop this 8:30. Kasama na dyan ang paborito ng lahat, ang zero minimum spend shipping vouchers. Kung kulang pa yan, just type Fun Payday sa search bar to claim extra discounts just before checking out. Kaya naman, get your cards ready at sabay-sabay tayo mag-check out this August 28 to 30.